Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and very stylish collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Different ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut, attractive eye-catching hair dye, and many much more beautiful ideas. I hope you like it. Different ideas of haircut in low maintenance. Some ideas: Pixie haircut, so beautiful collection of bob haircut, haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas: layered, deep layered, some ideas: step, undercut, and the latest type of cut, choppy haircut and notching haircut. Of hairstyling, fine hairstyle, messy hairstyles, ideas of hair dye: blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors, and many much more latest and beautiful collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support or help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. And thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll be right back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.